Alright guys, I'm Heath, this is Forged America. I'm going to be doing another video on our leather stitching to follow up with the video we did a couple days ago because we got a lot of blowback because the video apparently took too long. And we had some people doing some serious trolling on us. They actually complained that I didn't do enough stitching and did too much explaining as to why we did what we did and why we did it. Yeah. So let's get stitching. Alright, let's get started. Right along this stitch line that we made. Now the stitch line, instead of having a grooved stitch line that we did with like a stitch groover and then just went in and just instead of puncturing through the leather, we pre-drilled the holes. Yes, I use a laser to drill my holes. I know that's a problem for some people. You came on my Facebook page were trolling me saying you're not a traditional leather maker, you don't do it by hand, you shouldn't be using lasers. I'm not sure why we shouldn't be using lasers. I need somebody to explain that to me. What is the problem there? Anyhow, when you do it when you do have a hand stitcher, I will say, hand stitching is much better than these machine stitches. But the method that I'm using today, where you pre-punch the holes, is just as good as the hand stitching. And I'll tell you why. When you use these hand sewing machines, what winds up happening is the needle itself, it's not a pretty cut when it goes through the back, and actually makes a pretty nasty little gash on the front as well. When the hole's pre-punched, the needle's not actually puncturing the leather, it's going through the hole that you've already made. Another benefit to that is it doesn't dull your needles. You don't have to buy more needles. Trust me, I've been using this one for a long time. As long as you pre-punch holes, it doesn't matter what you pre-punch them with. You can pre-punch them with a fork. You don't have to use a laser. Some guy came on and said, yeah, this is basically just an endorsement for to use lasers. I never said what kind of laser I was using. I don't endorse anybody unless they pay me to endorse them. I don't do that. I didn't tell what kind of sewing machine this was. No endorsement. I wasn't trying to push anybody to do anything. The guy just didn't like the fact that I did use lasers and had this big problem like there's some laser code. Now right here, I'm gonna back stitch one time. Get that back stitch, that locks it in, take it off. I have no idea how long that took, but it's much faster than hand stitching. Nothing wrong with hand stitching. I still do hand stitching. But here's the deal, guys. This method right here, let me cut it loose. I'm just gonna snip it loose. It's been back stitched, so the stitches are locked. Cut them loose right here and here. Now, that right there, that little piece, I'm gonna take a little soldering iron, burn it off. It looks great. There's nothing wrong with this. There you go. Hope you liked the video. Hope you learned something from the video. Give it a like, subscribe to the page. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll see anytime we put up another video. So for all of you guys who want to criticize us for the way we do things, you'll have something to do. Forged Leather, forgedleather.com. Links in the description below.